Are you looking for a plant that can thrive in tough conditions? Sea buckthorn might be your answer. This remarkable shrub is known for its resilience and nutritional benefits. In this video, we'll explore why you should consider growing Hippophae rhamnoides, commonly known as sea buckthorn. Sea buckthorn is a hardy plant that grows in poor soil. It withstands drought and harsh climates. This shrub can grow in sandy or rocky areas, making it perfect for difficult terrains. By understanding sea buckthorn's benefits, you'll see why it's worth your investment. Let's break down the main reasons for growing this incredible shrub. First, sea buckthorn is incredibly nutritious. Its berries are rich in vitamin C and E, essential for a healthy diet. Second, it promotes soil health. Sea buckthorn improves soil structure and prevents erosion. Third, it provides food for wildlife. Many birds and small animals love its berries. Now, let's look at the steps to successfully grow sea buckthorn. First, locate a sunny planting spot. Sea buckthorn thrives in full sun. Second, prepare your soil, ensuring it's well drained. This will help the roots establish. Third, plant the seedlings about 6 feet apart. They need space to grow. Finally, water them regularly during the first year. When growing sea buckthorn, it's essential to understand its care needs. Watering is crucial, but do not overwater. Fertilizer isn't usually necessary as it grows well in poorer soils. Regular pruning helps shape the shrub and encourages growth. Imagine a vibrant hedge filled with bright orange berries. Not only does it add beauty, but it also creates a delicious harvest. You could make juices, jams, or even use the berries in smoothies. With proper care, you can enjoy this nutrient-packed superfood. In summary, growing Hippophae rhamnoides, or sea buckthorn, offers numerous benefits. It thrives in tough conditions and promotes soil health. Plus, it provides nutritious berries for you and local wildlife. With simple steps, you can cultivate this remarkable survival shrub. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Happy planting, and see you in the next video.